Hey, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for subscribing and liking my content. Do me a favor, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe below in that little button, hit subscribe, hit that little notification bell, hit all, you're good to go. Then you'll keep up to date on everything I do. So what we're going to talk about today is we're going to talk about chronic pain and these are called cigarettes. What do you find smoking cigarettes helps with your chronic pain? Personally, I find it helps quite a bit to relax the body, to be able to function properly. It doesn't help as much as a pain reliever would, but tell me what it does for you. I'm very curious on the cigarette thing because it works for me, and I've talked to a few other people. I find that it works for them too. So let's hear below what you think of cigarette smoking and being in chronic pain. Alright, so let's hear that, and make sure you subscribe and like my channel. Make sure you hit that share button too. You can share it to all your social media platforms, and we'll get back to you guys soon. Alright, again, Ontario, Canada, beautiful weather today, sunny. Talk to you guys soon. Cheers.